So now for our final step within Blender, we're going to configure the UVs for Poiyomi's UV tile discard. Before we do that though, I'm going to combine both our Material 3 and Material 1 meshes together. So we'll just select both of them and then Ctrl J to combine them. I'm also going to rename each mesh to Body and Face. I'm also going to change the names of the materials to reflect what parts of the meshes that we're selecting. So next, I'm going to select the body and hide that from the viewport. And now we have our mesh that we're going to be using for the UV tile discard. Now I'm going to select the t-shirt, and before we move it up to this tile, I'm going to do one more demonstration with the UDIM tiles. So just think of this as 0, and then this quadrant to the right is going to be 1 on the x-axis, and then this one above is going to be 1 on the y-axis. Let me pull up the Poiyomi UV tile discard table reference. And this corresponds to the table reference from one of the earlier videos. So you can see here in the bottom left 0, 0, to the right 1, 0, top left 0, 1, and top right 1, 1. So with the t-shirt mesh still selected, we're going to hit G to grab, Y to lock it to the y-axis, and 1 to move it up one tile. So now we'll deselect the t-shirt, go into X-ray mode, and select both of the gloves. And then with our mouse hovered over the UV viewport, we're going to hit GX1 and GY1 to move the UVs to the upper right hand quadrant. Lastly, we'll select the half of the headphones that's on the UV0 tile, and we'll move that over one tile to the right by hitting GX1. So now that we have all the UVs set up for the Poiyomi UV tile discard, we're going to back out and take a look at the mesh before we export to go into Unity. Looks good to me. So now we are all prepared and ready to export.